Agile Methodology. Part 1. What is Agile? Agile is a project management methodology that emphasizes flexibility, collaboration, and iterative development. The key principles of Agile include customer satisfaction through continuous delivery of valuable software, responding to change over following a plan, working software over comprehensive documentation, collaborative team effort over individual contributions, flexibility and adaptability over rigid processes and tools. Agile projects are typically broken down into small, manageable increments called sprints, which typically last 1 to 4 weeks. Each sprint focuses on delivering a working increment of software that can be demonstrated to stakeholders and end users for feedback. This feedback is then used to inform the next sprint, allowing the project to adapt to changing requirements and priorities. Agile methodologies also emphasize close collaboration between team members, including developers, testers, and business stakeholders. This is often facilitated through daily stand-up meetings, regular reviews and retrospectives, and other communication channels. Overall, the goal of Agile is to create a flexible and adaptive project management approach that can respond to changing requirements and priorities, while still delivering high-quality software in a timely manner. Thanks for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it. We'll be back with more. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, like, comment with your thoughts, and join our community. As always, build, uplift, motivate, empower.